Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will talk about the Australia Post error code 503. The error reads service unavailable. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the meaning behind this mysterious code. According to Australia Post's official website, error code 503 is an indication that their servers are either undergoing maintenance or are temporarily overloaded. This is a server-side issue, meaning it's a problem on their end, not yours. So, how does one go about handling this? Well, as this error is beyond your control, there's not much you can do directly to resolve it. Your best course of action is to simply wait until the servers return to normal. Output? However, there are a few steps you can take to ensure you're not facing a connectivity issue on your end. First, try accessing other websites to confirm your internet is functioning correctly. If everything appears to be running smoothly, attempt to refresh the Australia Post page a few times. This might just do the trick. But what if you've refreshed the page multiple times and the error persists? In this case, patience is key. As frustrating as it may be, waiting for the servers to normalize is your best bet. To recap, the Australia Post error code 503 arises when the servers are either under maintenance or experiencing a temporary overload. This is a server-side problem, meaning the issue lies with Australia Post, not with your device or internet connection. Your best course of action is to confirm your internet is working. Try refreshing the page, and if all else fails, wait it out. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.